appreciate the contributions that have been made by the past presidents, general secretaries, members, advisors of the AMCA, because of whom the organization is where it is today. And has immensely contributed towards the overall development, the protection, the cultural aspects, and different traditions of the Karbi people, especially those who are living in our state of Meghalaya. We have a long history with our Karbi brothers and sisters in many ways. Chikro Timung, Dominic Timung, Valerian Hing Timung, Joy Taro are names that resonate with us even today. These people, our Karbi brothers, spent months in jail when we were fighting for our statehood. And that's the kind of history that the Karbi people share with the state of Meghalaya. We may have different larger communities and tribes in our state, but let me assure every single citizen of our state that no matter which tribe you belong to, no matter which religion you practice, being in Meghalaya and being a citizen of Meghalaya makes you equally important to us. And it is a duty of every single leader and the government to ensure that all-round development and overall protection and rights are given to all the people living in our state of Meghalaya.